This video is specially for teachers as well as students how to upload homework as well as assignment to the students and how the student will revert back the homework to the teacher. Let's start. First of all, on teacher endpoint, if you are a user of desktop or laptop, you just click on the team. If you are a user of mobile, then just click on the team in the middle of the team application installed in the mobile. When you click on the team icon, you saw the different type of classrooms. If you saw your individual classroom here, just click on the classroom. The classroom will open and it's expand the different type of subject names. These are known as called different channels. Let's take an example. If you are a biology teacher, just after the classroom over or before the classroom started, an individual teacher can go to the classroom from the team section, select the subject respective. When the subject will selected here, on right hand side there is a heading called the particular subject name shows here. Go to the file tab. Once file tab will be shown, another folder will be shown here with the same name of the class, biology. Just open the folder. Now click on the upload button here. Now a dialog box appear. It will ask you where is your file located in your computer, whatsoever mobile device, laptop or desktop. Select your file from your selected path, click and open it. It will take time to upload it. Once uploaded, it will show in this folder. Here you can see one item. Suppose this is your assignment work or your notes. Notes may be of any kind, in image format, PDF or PPT whatsoever uploaded by the teacher. Now I am showing you with the help of student account, switching over you the student account, how it look like on student side. I just open the student account on another screen. Here the classroom will be there. The student will click on the classroom. The respective student receive on a particular day, for example biology teacher give the homework or some notes to him. Just student will click on the biology section. Now go to the file section. Now student will open the particular folder, biology. The student will found the respective file uploaded by the teacher. It may be of any kind of subject. Now here you can easily by the student select the particular file and download it or copy the link or copy it, any one. Student cannot delete the file. It's a best option for the security purpose. Now come to the part of second part, how the teacher will assign assignment and send it to the student and how the student will return back the same assignment after doing it. Let's start. Here individual teacher, click on the respective classroom, click on the general tab. On right hand side after general tab, go to the assignment section. Now click on create button. Either teacher may go to the assignment or may go to the quiz type format. First we go to the assignment process. To learn this a basic step, click on assignment. There is a specific format available here. Just follow the steps. Title, suppose you are history teacher, write down subject name history and inside the bracket your respective topic. Now any instruction given by you can type here in the text format, like general instruction before the starting the examination, in theoretical which type of question is compulsory, which is necessary and how to be performed by the student. After the instruction part, necessary to click on the add resource button. When teacher click on add resource button, it will ask you the respective file, which type of file you want to send to the student and as assignment. Either it's form of Word file, PDF file, PPT or any image form, select the respective file from your respective folder inside your device, either mobile or your computer. Click on open. The file should be selected inside and click on done. If once the file uploaded, it will show here in the resource. You can add multiple resources at the same platform to give the better information regarding the assignment. Now come to the next point, important, assign to. Suppose you have two different sections, 10th A and 10th B, or different sections of the same classroom. You want to spread the same assignment to all the classes taught by you in the same classroom in different sections. Just select the different sections, suppose 10th B, 10th A, and that already selected residential wing 10th. Now all are selected with the single click. At the same time, one assignment will be assigned on all the three classes to all the students whom you are taught. Now select the pattern next, all student. By default it's selected all student, so no need to worry about individual student. Just click on due date, click on the calendar, set the due date on which date you want to return back by the student. Suppose it's a 5th of Tuesday. At what time depend on you. Suppose you are free at evening 7 PM. After 7 PM on the particular date, you will check out. You set the time and just click on the assign button. Once you assign the topic or the assignment to the student, it will reflect in the assignment section here. One assignment is over here, and there is a pop-up also arises. Assignment mentioned to RWS class 10th will be shown here. Now in this segment we see once the teacher will assign the homework or notes, anything to the student, what will shown on the student side. Suppose this is the student account showing here, and inside the student classroom individual subject folder, click on the general tab assignment section. Here the assignment will given by the teacher shown here. Student will download the assignment file, read out carefully, attempt the questions, write down, and whatsoever the options are available to the student endpoint, student will written down in the notebook or in Word file or in PDF. Fill up the answers and how the return back by the student. In the same section where it will download it with this option, student will add in the section called my work. When the student will click on add my work, it will ask again the thing that where is the file located by the student on which he done his assignment. Suppose student will go to the section, and this is the student assignment creation. I selected as a sample example. From student side, student will upload the assignment. Click on done. Now here you can see the link.jpg format. This is the assignment given by the teacher, and the 123 Diwali PNG clip art thumb PNG as a sample format showing here that student will submit the homework. Once the uploaded by the student, now what will you do by the student is here. Student will just click on the top right corner of this particular block, turn in. Turn in gives you the feedback to the student. Now we move to the teacher side. Once the student will submit the assignment properly, it will reflect here tick sign submitted by the student. Now we jump to the teacher side. Now in teacher side section, in the individual section, in the general tab assignment section, when the teacher will access his own assignment, it will reflect here how many students. For an example, there is only one student in this demo class. If you have more than one student, all the student list will here. How many you have already attempt here shown with the tick sign. We can individually check the assignment by clicking it over here. That assignment done by the particular student. Now click on the feedback section. If you want to send any feedback like well done, or anything else you want to share with the student, and click on the return button. Again it's send the reply to the student. The teacher will check properly and send the feedback to the student. Now just close the individual student assignment checked by the teacher here. Close it. Now select the another assignment here. Once you select or check and return the feedback to the student, that particular section will be clean up and the report will be submitted. If you want to check the report, you can export into the Excel with the help of this. This is the method.